really comfortable, and today we're using shadow foam. This stuff is awesome and it's going to be used to organise my tools. I'm going to be organising the top shelf in this toolbox, which is full of spanners and screwdrivers and stuff you use on a daily basis, as well as hand planes and chisels and stuff like that. But we definitely need this organised because they just roll around and then you go and you can't find it. So we're going to be using shadow foam. If you don't know what it is, there is a video that I've done before called Shadow Foam What Is It? So if you go onto my YouTube channel and click on videos, scroll down until you find that, then you can give that a watch and you'll know all about what it is. If you do like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. And also, if you do like this product and how it works, there will be a link in the description for the website you can purchase it off, and if you use my code you'll get a percentage off as well, so that's even better. So do go check it out, and let's get started on organising this toolbox. So first things first is you want to lay out all your tools exactly how you want it. There is actually shadow foam in the bottom of this because I fit it to the size of this drawer. So I'm happy with how that's fitting. And now what we're going to do is we're going to actually fit these tools into place so they sit in and they stay in their place and it's all organised. So because this is how I want it laid out, I'm actually going to take a quick photo just in case I can't remember where each one goes. I'm going to drag the shadow foam out, lay it on a piece of wood and lay them all back out and start putting away. video, and I thank you so much for sticking around and supporting me as a creator and a YouTuber. And this stuff is just amazing. This is now my toolbox fully organised. Well, we've got a long way to go, but this is the first shelf fully organised, and to be fair, this is what I mainly use. The next drawer to do will be like your pliers and mole grips and stuff like that, so that'll be quite exciting to do. But yeah, this stuff is truly amazing and I absolutely love it. If you find that you have a use for it, I'd recommend you go buy some and use it. And like I say, in the description there will be a little code that you can use on your checkout and you'll get some percentage off, which is what's not to love about that. That is awesome as well. So a massive thanks to Shadow Foam, and I'll see you next time everyone. Bye!